Beuta landscape edging produces garden blocks that are lightweight and easy to handle, thanks to their construction from low-density polyethylene or polyester with recycled content. Each 1.2-meter standard block can be lifted with one hand and installed with just a hammer, resulting in a finish that closely resembles natural stone. The blocks are also flexible, allowing you to create neat circles using multiple sections. For finishing touches, individual extender bricks are available. Additionally, each block is made of 25 to 30% recycled materials, making installation environmentally friendly. Budgeting is straightforward with a standard 1.2-meter block priced at $25. The A.N.T all-purpose nimble transporter is inspired by how ants carry heavy loads with ease, allowing you to do the same by simply loading, harnessing, and moving leaves, snow, dirt, or even gravel. In tests, a person pulled 181 kilograms with the A.N.T, while the carabiners can handle up to 306 kilograms, and the strap strength reached 500 kilograms. One of the standout features of the A.N.T is that it allows you to move forward without the risk of injuring your leg by falling or hitting something, making the starting price of $60 an excellent deal. GARDENA is promoting its cordless AquaBrush cleaner, a versatile tool designed to clean everything from stone and WPC surfaces to fences and patio furniture. With a runtime of 56 minutes per charge, you can thoroughly clean your outdoor space. Weighing 5.6 kilograms, it might seem heavy, but its clever two-handle design ensures comfortable use. The AquaBrush is also modular, allowing you to add special extensions and brushes for both horizontal and vertical surfaces. The battery is part of the Power for All system, making it compatible with over 100 other home and garden tools from various brands. Priced at $233, it offers great value for such a handy and compatible tool. Flame King offers a range of propane weed burners with impressive heat output, perfect for tackling tough weeds. The Flame King 1, for example, delivers 1 million BTUs, equivalent to over 1 billion joules of heat, and easily connects to standard propane cylinders. It comes fully assembled with a 5-meter hose, so you can start using it right out of the box. Beyond weed control, this versatile tool can strip paint or markings, melt snow and ice, and repair roofing. The Flame King 1 is available for $70, making it a practical and powerful addition to your toolkit.
Infaco is revolutionizing the world of electric pruning shears with their new contactless safety system, developed after 5 years of research, development, and field testing. This innovative system consists of 2 modules, a receiver that fits into the shears like the Infaco F320, and a transmitter embedded in a glove. The system works by instantly opening the shears as soon as they get too close to the gloved hand, preventing them from closing until the hand is safely out of the way. Infaco states that this system can even be retrofitted onto older models, making it a game changer for professional vineyard work.
Meet the SuperHandy wood chipper, the superhero of mulchers, powered by a 7-horsepower gasoline engine that shreds material at a 15:1 ratio and handles branches up to 76 millimeters thick. Despite its power, it's compact, weighing just 38 kilograms, and priced at $500. Like any good superhero, it has a sidekick, a smaller version perfect for leaves and twigs up to 13 millimeters thick. This helper uses 3 knives spinning at 4,100 RPM and is available for $280. For those with small gardens, the Ryobi P2160 VNM is an ideal 3-in-1 tool that functions as a mower, string trimmer, and edger. It disassembles into several parts for easy storage and uses 1.7 or 2 millimeters trimmer line. As a mower, it offers 4 height settings ranging from 38 to 90 millimeters. To switch to edger mode, Simply remove the wheel pad and press a button. The kit includes a charger and a 4A battery, and it's part of the Ryobi 18V1 Plus family, which features over 300 tools. Priced at $299, this versatile garden helper is perfect for fans of this Japanese brand. The Chariot is designed to make work on large properties more efficient and less exhausting by eliminating the need for constant back-and-forth trips for tools. Featuring 3 wheels and a 10-horsepower engine, this innovative vehicle is steered with your feet, leaving your hands free to mow the lawn at 11 kilometers per hour, pick up litter, or even trim hedges. Companies using the Chariot have reported a 30% boost in efficiency, and it offers a more enjoyable alternative to doing everything on foot. However, the official website has yet to announce the price. The Suncast Adirondack glider is the perfect porch glider, combining style, durability, and low maintenance with its mix of steel and wood-textured resin construction. This all-weather, UV-resistant furniture is built to withstand life by the water. For added comfort, it features a folding console with a smartphone holder and 2 cup holders, and its smooth gliding mechanism ensures a seamless experience without abrupt kicks. With a weight capacity of up to 227 kilograms, it's perfect for sharing with friends. Just be prepared to spend $560 for this inviting and functional piece. The Nestera Coop is designed for both amateur and professional breeders, crafted from recycled plastic for easier cleaning compared to wood, taking just 10 minutes and greater resistance to predators. The basic model accommodates up to 5 chickens, while the top model can house up to 15. For added convenience, you can choose features like an automatic door opener, a solar panel, and a Wi-Fi camera to monitor your chickens via smartphone. The coop can also be upgraded over time, and Nestera offers a 25-year warranty, ensuring maximum comfort for your birds. Prices start at $379.